Hey loves, it's Belinda Selene, and today I'm going to share with you guys a genuine, realistic, and productive morning routine. So I normally wake up around 7:30 when Ricardo is getting ready for work. And the first thing that I do as soon as I wake up is I like to make our bed. That way I feel like it's going to be a productive day. I don't want to climb back into bed since I work from home, and I just feel like I accomplished a small task in my day. My room is clean and I just feel like I'm ready to tackle on the day. We'll go ahead and let the doggies out so they can use the bathroom. They love the snow. Something that I love to do in the morning is help Ricardo get ready for work, like steam his clothes. It's just, I feel like I'm taking care of my man, you know what I'm saying? So it's something that I really like doing. And then I'll pack his lunch, and he does not like being in front of the camera, so he just headed off to work. But I usually like to go to the gym in the mornings or work out, but today is a rest day because I have a lot of work that I have to accomplish. So in order to still be productive, I'm just gonna make myself my favorite breakfast, and oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, so it is a croissant. You want to put it in the toaster, and then you make some fried over medium eggs with some avocado, of course, some salsa valentina, and a little bacon on the side. And I like to drink that with water. I love hydrating in the morning. It just makes me feel good throughout the day, and it is amazing. Then I'll go ahead and just clean up the kitchen a bit, just pick up here and there, put all of the dishes that were in the washer machine away, and then do anything that was in the sink. So I'll go ahead and I'll wash those and just tidy up the kitchen a little bit. Alright, so let's head on upstairs to get ready for the rest of the day, which includes a nice body shower and my skincare routine. I do take my skincare very seriously because I tend to get really dry skin around my mouth and my nose, which can peel and hurt because of the winter. So what I like to do is either use a mask or exfoliate my face. In today's video, I am collaborating with Volition Beauty to share with you guys a new product. And they just released their new apple cider vinegar resurfacing peel pads. And when I saw these, I was really excited because it is so simple for you to be able to exfoliate your face. So each one comes with 30 spa facials, and it is packed with a lot of great vitamins for your skin, like vitamin A, C, and E. It also has potassium and has alpha hydroxy acids to help remove dead skin cells. They are available at Sephora, and I will have a link down below where you guys can find them. Right after using this, I saw immediate results in my skin. I felt like my skin was a lot smoother and it felt more clean because my pores were no longer clogged. And something that I never miss out is moisturizing my face in the morning. So I'll put an eye cream underneath my eyes and around my lids, and then I'll put a nice hydrating moisturizer all over my face and also on my neck. My productivity level increases whenever I am just ready for the day, which includes doing my hair and my makeup and also putting on some different clothes that are not loungewear. And so for that reason, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'm gonna do it a little bit nicer today because we are filming this video. So this is for you guys, and since we're going to be a little bit more glamorous, I'm going to add some lashes. Got really thirsty, so I had to get myself something to drink. I try and drink water as much as I possibly could. So this tumbler, because it's so cute, it just helps me stay hydrated throughout the day. I put all these decals myself with my Cricut machine. I think it's so cute. I often get so many questions about my smooth skin, and as you guys saw, I just exfoliated my face and then I put moisturizer on. That was about 15 minutes ago before I sat down, like put my camera up, washed my makeup sponge, and did my eyelashes and everything like that. And before applying foundation, once again, I'm going to moisturize with just a primer. This one is one that I really love, and so I'm just going to take a little bit. And my problem area is around my mouth and my nose where it gets really dry. So that's what I'm going to concentrate it on. It's just there. a primer, a moisturizer, anything like that. I feel like this is both. This is both a moisturizer and a primer. We got the lashes on, now we can start on our foundation. Something I really enjoy doing is watching YouTube videos while I do my makeup. Does anybody else do the same? I just feel like I have a friend there and it's not all quiet and I get to see my favorite YouTubers. Okay, I'm done with my makeup. I was going to move on to my hair and I was like, should I just leave it up? Like, I just feel so comfortable right now. I don't want it to be in my face when I'm working downstairs on my sticker shop. So we're just gonna leave it up. I was going to put dry shampoo on it because it's like second day hair and I didn't wash it when I took a shower this morning. I am so tired right now. Sorry if I didn't talk to you guys in the morning. This is a genuine wake up with me morning routine. So I was doing everything in the morning and bringing my camera with me. So I was really tired and I was like, should I be talking in the video? I'm like, I sound so like tired if I try. So I was like, I'm just gonna wait until I have more energy, and after eating it gave me a little bit more energy. I'm a little bit more awake now. I do want to get some coffee though because I feel like I'm still kind of tired since I didn't work out today. Usually working out does give me a lot of energy, and today I didn't because I do have a lot of things to do. We have some campaigns that we have to shoot. I have to work on my sticker shop downstairs because I need to process some orders that came in from our new release yesterday, which makes me so excited. And then I just like to get ready in different clothes because if I stay in my PJs all day, I just want to like sit on the couch and find any excuse to be on social media. I'll watch videos whenever I am doing my makeup, but other than that, I try not to be on my phone because I could get lost for hours, like on Pinterest, on Instagram, on YouTube, and it's so much easier for me just like watch it on here, like close it when I'm done, and then go downstairs and concentrate on my work. So we're gonna do that, but I'm going to change into something different. I love to read articles and books and listen to podcasts all about being a better version of yourself and being motivated to do things and get things accomplished. So one of the things that I've learned is to get out of my PJs every single day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some comfortable clothes, even though they're like leggings and like a big sweater, which is usually what I love to be in because I want to be comfortable. I just feel like if I needed to run out of the house to do something or run an errand, I'm prepared and I'm ready. So once I am dressed, I'm gonna head on over down to my office, and the first thing that I like to do is look at my planners. I have two of them. One of them is a Foxy Fix planner and the other one is the Happy Planner, and this keeps me on top of my game because I am self-managed, even though I do have a manager, but I pretty much control my agenda, what I have to do for the week, and certain things are due when it comes to either my YouTube channel, my Instagram account, on Pinterest, Facebook, or on my sticker shop, which is a business that I own and I run myself. So I do have to make sure that I'm being really productive every single day, and so this just helps me out a lot. I write a to-do list and then I go ahead and I start working, whether it's like emails, which is the first thing that I like to get through. That way, if there's anything that I have to do throughout the day, I'm caught up on what I have to do. And then I'll go ahead and edit anything that needs to be done or submit any concepts for any videos when working with brands or anything like that. And I also get distracted and snuggle with my puppies. They're just so cute. Ginger, she's a Papillon, absolutely love her. She's 9 years old, she's a granny, but she's still going strong. And then we have Coco, Mr. Glenn Coco, and he's a little snuggle bunny. Like, all he wants to do is just sleep on you or lay on you, and he is so precious. Here's a tip when you need to be productive and all you want to do is just kind of like sit down or do other things that are not productive. For example, I needed to submit a concept before noon and I was sitting down typing it up and I was like, you know what I really want to do right now is just get a cup of coffee because I'm getting tired. Like, it'll taste so good, but that's going to get me distracted. I'm going to get up, make my coffee, like sit down, enjoy it. And I'm like, before I do that, I'm going to finish this concept. That'll be my treat at the end of my little work session. So I sat down, even though it took me a lot longer than I thought it would. After I was done, I was like, oh my god, I feel so accomplished. I finished what I was supposed to be doing, and I'm on a roll now. Like, I have all the time to do other things that I wanted to do. So now I'm going to treat myself to a cup of coffee. Little goals like that and accomplishments and little treats for yourself help you be productive throughout the day. I still have a lot more work to do in the office, so I'm not gonna go anywhere today. But if I was running errands out and about and I was getting some work done and I was done, I would probably go get a Dunkaccino because that is my favorite drink ever. But we're just gonna make a cup of coffee here, and that's fine because I do have my favorite creamer, which is just like a normal vanilla creamer, and it makes me happy. I don't know what I would do without my Keurig, and this is my favorite little corner in the kitchen, my little coffee station, and I also have this cream warmer which makes the milk frothy, and oh my gosh, it tastes like heaven. Bringing my coffee into the office now, and we're gonna continue to work. Now this is the time that I like to concentrate on my business, so I have a sticker shop. It's called planwithbelinda.com, and here I make my own stickers. It's really fun. It's a hobby that turned into a business. And right now I'm just like going and sorting through inventory, and this is a new release. It is called Spark Joy. It is inspired by Marie Kondo, which is a Netflix show right now, and she talks about decluttering and organizing your home. And since I do a lot of clean with me videos, I was beyond excited to release this kit. So if you guys are interested, I will have a link down below where you can find my sticker shop and also join my Facebook group page. And I've been getting so many requests to add a lot more things to the sticker shops, more products, planners, accessories. So I will have a survey of how you guys can tell me what you want. It's just a really quick questionnaire, super simple, and at the end there is a free download for you guys. So I hope you guys let me know what you want to see more of in my shop, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.